The years, perhaps in middle school, you heard of a process called cross-multiplying, and many times students use it incorrectly. And this is when you correctly can use cross-multiplying, all right? When you have a proportion or a fraction equal to a whole number or a fraction equal to another whole number. Cross-multiplying can be used for things like, does 1/2 equal 5/10? Yes? You can check that with cross-multiplying. Is 1 times 10 the same as 2 times 5? Then you know that proportion is true, right? Or let's say you didn't know what was here. Cross-multiplying can be used for that. What's 1 times x? What's 2 times 5? X must be 10. That's a proper use of cross-multiplying. And we're going to use it here as we put 2 over 1 and cross-multiply. Go. What's 1 times 1? What's 2 times x plus 4 when you distribute it? 2x plus 8. And now you're at a 5th grade math problem. If 2x plus 8 equals 1, we subtract 8 from both sides. And then we divide both sides by 2. And what do you know? X is negative 3.5, as we discussed before we did the problem. If you plug it back in and check it, does it work? Yes, we already checked it ahead of time. We know that's a good answer. So let's go ahead right over to B and put 5 over 1 and cross multiply. What's the 1 times 1? And then 5 times x minus 3. Don't forget to distribute it. A common mistake is calling this 5x minus 3, but it should be minus 15. And again, we're back to a rather elementary level math problem. We're going to add 15 to both sides and then divide by 5. And we get another decimal, 3.2. And if you check it, it should work. 3.2, if I put it in for x, minus 3 is 0.2, is 1 divided by 0.25. Yes, I think it is. If you check it, that would be, how many times does 2 go into 10? 5. That works. So we checked it. It works. That's a good answer.